Google has delayed mandating Play Store payments, that new rule in India, until April 2022. We report on this story how people were a bit upset.
Yes.
Some developers. Oh, by the way, the application, which I was saying Paytm, it was Paytm. How boring is that? You remember you were saying, nah, it's probably just Paytm, and I was like, no. What about Paytm? I paid him.
Yeah.
And
it was very creative. Good job.
But I was just thinking, man, what a missed opportunity. Or although maybe it's a double entendre. I don't even know if that's what that means. Anyways, Google saw what was going on, and they probably saw the clip on Lou later, and they were like, and when we were sitting there saying, hey guys, you got 99% of the market in India. You better chill. I mean, you're going to come under some scrutiny in a minute here. And then all of a sudden, Sundar and everybody else, they watch the Lou later clip, and they're like, you know what? He's right.
Yeah.
We should just chill. We got everything over here. And so that's exactly what they're doing. They're chilling until at least April 2022, where they'll revisit it. And of course, this is all part of the concerns that were being raised around the 30% charge, which is the same hot water that Apple's in with Epic and everybody else. This 30% piece. And this group, this conglomerate, this, what's the word for it? Consortium? It was a bunch of developers. They came together with their various companies and their various apps, and they said, we're going to go talk to the government right now. They said, we want to have another store. If we don't like these 30 points, we want to have another store on Android. And we talked about it, as you know. A coalition. How about that for a word?
Oh, that's a cool word.
A coalition.
Yeah.
I like it even better. Anyway, so Google, they backed up and they said, all right, look, we're going to do a policy workshop. We're going to show you why your 30% is worth it. We're listening, basically. And we're not going to implement the thing until April 2022 at the earliest. Like, just let's not talk about it right now. That's what they're saying. They're like, let's forget about all that. We're cool. We're Google. Counterpoint Research, 99% of devices in India, we're cool.
Yeah. Shout out Lou later.
Yeah, we're cool. And shout out Lou later.